Hello friends and welcome back. So this is the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis video for 13th of April 2021. Okay, for example, जिन लोगों ने मेरा पुराना वीडियो देखा और जिस तरीके से मैंने वहां पे टेक्निकल एनालिसिस किया और मैंने जो निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी की एक टेक्निकल टारगेट्स बनाए थे वो मॉर्निंग के ओपनिंग में ही हिट हो गए. सो दैट वाज वेरी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग टू मी आल्सो. ओके, सो अभी हम एक काम करेंगे कि हम लोग निफ्टी पर डायरेक्टली एनालिसिस करेंगे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में. बड़े टाइम फ्रेम में मैं आपको दिखा देना चाहता हूं कि निफ्टी एक चैनल में ट्रेवल कर रहा है. यहाँ से रिजेक्शन, अगेन यहाँ से रिजेक्शन रिजेक्शन रिजेक्शन, यहाँ पे सपोर्ट सपोर्ट. यस, दिस एरिया इज पेंडिंग. द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज दैट कि हाँ निफ्टी यहाँ से वापस से रीटेस्ट करके एक बाउंस बैक दे सकता है. ओके, सो दैट इज वन ऑफ द पॉसिबिलिटीज. नाउ अगर ये निफ्टी 14,250 के नीचे सस्टेन करता है तो व्हाट कैन हैपन नेक्स्ट? The very thing which can happen next is that it can take a support at 14,000, which is a psychological level which you all understand. And अगर उसको भी breach कर दिया then we definitely will see 13,700 levels, which was almost the प्री बजट लेवल्स और जहां से एकदम एकदम शार्प रैली आई थी. तो वहां के लेवल्स हम लोग एक बार रीटेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, टू नो द प्रोबेबिलिटी वी शुड गो inside the smaller time frame. Now you see, as we had discussed, this was in range और मैंने एक रेंज कैलकुलेशन मेथड से दिखाया था कि ये जो रेंज यहाँ से यहाँ तक फॉल हुई है, अगर यहाँ से मैं कैलकुलेट करूँ तो मेरा टारगेट जो था वो पहला 14,577 था. नाउ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड कि मार्केट एग्जैक्टली मेरे फर्स्ट टारगेट पे ही ओपन हुआ और वहां से सेकंड टारगेट इमीडिएटली अचीव कर लिया. देन फाइनली इट केम डाउन टू अ सपोर्ट व्हिच वाज वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट, क्योंकि यहीं से मार्केट ने रिवर्सल लिया था ट्रेंड लाइन से. ओके, so market is at a very crucial support which is 14,257 or 14,250, you can say it roughly. अगर ये ब्रेक हुआ तो then where we can go? अगर ये ब्रेक हुआ then definitely first of all we'll see 14,000 levels which is a psychological level, क्योंकि वहां पे call writers, put writers are very very active and they will try to defend that level. Okay, once that level is broken and sustained, we can see a level up to 13,700, because till that level there is no support and resistance. You should understand that. Okay, so very clear and simple that अगर market flat open होता है और 250 के नीचे sustain करता है then we should go short and we should target 14,000 and then we should target 14,786. That is one of the important levels. Okay, now one thing can happen that if it opens flat, now what can happen if it opens flat? If it opens flat, it can remain range bound, a range bound between 14,470 to 14,250. This 200 points, it can remain a range bound area. You know, sellers and buyers will decide which way to go, and wherever there will be a large pressure. Suppose if really market is strong and buyers want to take it up, then once it goes above 14,470, then it will start its upward journey and it will face its first rejection at 14,460, 14,660 zones. But suppose if it breaks 14,250, it will go down. So I'm expecting an inside candle tomorrow, and day after tomorrow is on holiday. Then in the next trading session, what can happen? That whichever breakout will come, that can be taken as a trade. Okay. So tomorrow, I think market will remain overall in a range, or it can happen that market will open flat and it will be seeing a pressure because of the lockdown news which has come up, and then finally it can go to 14,000 and 14,786. Okay, so you should trade carefully. I have already told you the levels. Okay, Also, you must know that, since market has given a gap down, it has fallen so much, and if it gives a reversal, still where it can go. So on the upside, we have target of 14,470 and 14,577. And on hourly time frame, if I see the EMA, that is 1500 and sorry 50 EMA and 200 EMA, it is far away from those levels. So it might happen that it might pass some time and this 200 EMA or 50 EMA level will come down. Then finally it will touch it and then see a rejection. Okay, so this was the level for Nifty overall. Let's see Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, as I told, it was really weak, and I was expecting that if it opens flat, I will get a sell being, very strong opportunity for selling. Though I was really short from the previous Friday levels also, because this level had been tested multiple times. I can show you a profit screenshot just to prove, but that is not required. All that is required is how do you trade your, how do you plan your trade. Okay, so in the last video, if you go and check, I clearly told that my first target is 31,660. The market itself opened at that level, and surprisingly you will see that, in 1 hourly time frame I had drawn one, you know a parallel channel. Exactly at that parallel channel, it has tried to take a support means, first of all, it has formed doji, again second doji, third doji, and then finally it has taken upside. So until and unless 31,660 is broken on the upside, I will not go long. It may happen that, market will just turn a face rejection from there and it can go down. Okay. Also, I had marked a second level, which was, 3940, or exactly you can say 31,000 levels. What has happened? Market taken support, and exactly it has closed at that level. Just understand the importance of technicals. How does it work? If you go back, you can clearly know why this level was so important. Now if this level is broken, what can happen? If this level is broken, first of all, you can see there is a small gap. Okay, and that small gap has to be filled up, and that has been filled today itself. This level was filled, closing was somewhere here. Exactly, you see that this level has been filled, and then Bank Nifty has taken up up. Now if this level is broken, we can see 29,780 levels. But since Bank Nifty has already been falling for so long, it can happen that it can take, a reversal. And you have seen that whatever channel I have drawn, there is one midline which is coming up. So it can face a resistance there, which is 31,600 levels. And then finally it can go more down. So my view is still bearish. Whatever levels I have mentioned is still there. One more level has come up, which is 29,700 or 800 levels, which you can see if 30,580 is broken. Otherwise, on the upside, 31,660, which was my target earlier, will act as a resistance. Okay, so trade is very simple. If market opens flat and it breaks this level, go for the below target. And the target which I told you is 29,800. Otherwise, if it takes a bounce, either you can take a contra trade, and what you can do, you can go up to the levels of 31,600, and then you can again short there, because I am expecting to market to react from there, and again some selling pressure will come. So that you can do. Okay. So wait for these levels. Either it is at very good support levels, either it will bounce back, or secondly, what will happen, let it open wherever it wants, and if market breaks this level, whatever you may call it as today's low also, if that level is broken, then we can see 29,800 levels. Okay guys, there's nothing much to discuss here about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you liked my analysis, and whatever queries you have asked me regarding stocks, that I will cover on Friday or Saturday. And please do subscribe to my channel, keep supporting us, and let this channel reach to maximum people so that you know retailers can get benefit from it, they don't make losses. And till then, thank you.